2006 Honda Accord speaker replacement. It's a little something different today. It's for my aunt. Her speakers is vibrating and popping. First off, you got to pop that off, which is this piece right here. It's got one clip. One clip holds that in, and you got two screws behind the little bitty panel right there, which is this little bitty panel, and it locks in on the corner. And then the little cover that covers that screw is just a little bitty drop in, like piece of rubber that your fingernail can pull out. So take that off. Two screws right there, one screw down in there, and then pop your door panel off. Which will be up inside here like this. Just after your panel is off, you can see you got to unclip that. There's the perimeter of where your little clips clip in. This is your adapter right here. See that hole right there at the top, 12 o'clock, and then you got that one right there, and that one right there. They go through your bolt holes. That goes through like that. This is what I was talking about right here. You got your three screws that bolt through with a washer and a ply lock nut on back. Now your speaker, you will set the speaker in here. Like this right here. And see those three holes right there? Right there. You'll move this speaker to where those holes line up at all four tabs. But before you do that, you want to take this kit right here, plugs into the factory Honda plug, and then those wires plug into the speaker. See how I zip tied it down? That'll keep it out of the way of the window regulator. And then it plugs in on the back. Now it's time to put it in, line up my holes. All right, everything's back together. Make sure that you remember to put your door latch cable on. I actually forgot on the passenger side and had to pull that one back off. Make sure you get your light and all hooked back up, double check. I was in a hurry, just trying to get it done, and messed up. There's the factory speaker. We also put in speakers in the rear, new 6x9s, and the new covers. This one right here was rotted out. You gotta get the clips out of it. Like I said, we put rear speakers in it too, but the factory cover won't fit down because of the way the aftermarket speakers fit. So what I done is took my knife and scored around the edge on the inside and cut that lip off. As you can see, it fits flush. Now these are a lighter color than the factory ones, but I could not find, that's all I could find. These things are hard to find that aren't ruined. But anyway, I'll score around that with my knife and get it cut off. Staticking a little bit under this building.
I feel like too, this is all local news. By the time we get to Wednesday morning, they're like, weekend! We're still, in my opinion, 3 days from the week.
Okay, that one's picking up.
I can't help it, just 'cause money love.
also checked out her sunroof. You can see that hole right there. That's the drain for the sunroof on this Honda Accord. It runs down and out at the front fender. Those are clean. Somebody had already cleaned around the tracking, but you can see that it has caused some damage, some water damage, probably from where it built up and wicked its way back inside, or could be getting underneath this black trim. But I'm thinking we're good to go for now. So that wraps it up for this video. Hope you learned something. 4 new speaker install.